Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a 3D item that somebody drew, and it kind of makes my heart feel good. He not only is going by my 3D method, he's using my pattern, and I really thank him for sending it. He was seeking a little help. He said it was just cutting out and not engraving, and there is a few problems like right in here with some adjustment. But his problem is, first of all, he's running a combination job, so it would not engrave, and it just started cutting all the lines out because all his lines are hair lines. You have to start out with I start out with a 0.5 line. This is on his is a little bit different. I don't know I never have really understood the hairline, how really small it is. I bet you that's still a hairline. So I would start out with a 0.5 line, and there's something in between there. On mine, I do have oh, you know what? He's got inches. So we need to go to points. There we go. And now, so back up, you need to go to a 0.5 hairline. And then he's going to have to redraw it, but that is the problem. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and maybe you learn if you're going to try this. I've got a video on how to do this exact one. Anyway, thank you for watching.